Hi guys, so today I'm going to help you to understand the display replacement cost for the Samsung phones. I have a problem with my phone where I have dropped recently just 1 week ago, where the display front screen there is no problem, but looks like the inside liquid has got leaked. There is a purple color image, which is getting covered up throughout the screen, and yesterday the complete screen is completely blacked out, so I wanted to replace my screen immediately, but I wanted to understand first the cost of the display replacement. I checked with a couple of local vendors. Everyone is charging close to 3k, 4k, like that. Some charging even 1k, which is very lesser. But I don't think the cost is going to, the clarity is going to be good there. Because the reason is Samsung has provided AMOLED display on my Galaxy J7 Pro, which is a very good display. So I wanted to understand from Samsung what is the actual replacement cost of the original spare part of the display. So what I did, I sent an email to the Samsung support team. They have reverted back to me with a link, which I'm going to show you. In that link, you can see the spare part cost of all the parts of your Samsung phone. Okay, so in Google, what you can do is you can search for Samsung website. So I search for Samsung India for an example. I go to Samsung India. So once I go on there, there is a support link. In the support link, you have service information, and there is something called spare part cost. Just click on this. So when you click on this one, um, it will show some warranty information, but if you scroll a little bit down, let's give a couple of seconds for the page to load. Yeah, so if you scroll a little bit down, it will ask you to select the series, your phone series. Okay, the model series. So mine is J series. I select the Galaxy J, and I select my phone model J7 Pro. So once I select that, it will tell you, it will tell you the display cost 3695, and the motherboard cost 5800, battery cost, and the back glass cost. So this basically will help you whether you wanted to go with the original display or the third party display. So my personal preference here is, I have used this phone for almost 2 years, but I like this phone very much because it is being very slim, and it is giving a very good help to me on maintaining the day-to-day task. I'm not finding any issues here. Okay, so I don't see any reason to buy a new phone um, for my usage. And because this is coming around 3k, even the third party vendor is almost asking close to 3k. I personally feel changing the original spare part is very much good for me, and it is going to give me a very good clarity, okay, with the cost of the replacement that I'm going to spend. Okay, so in case if you wanted to decide before you uh, before you change before you go with fixing the vendor, whether it will be a third party or the original replacement brand of Samsung display, this site will basically help you understand the cost of all your phones for any phone models of Samsung. So you can also come here and click on, uh, for an example, Note. I can click on Note 10, Galaxy Note 10. I can see the display cost 12,499. So basically, all the phones spare part cost is being displayed on this Samsung support site, which will be very helpful to you guys, I believe. That's all for this video. Thank you.